So you've been asked about homestead and by your real estate agent or by your lender. Hey, have you applied for your homestead exemption tax discount? Right. So how do you access that? You go to Hidalgo. Well, if you're depends on your county. For Hidalgo County, you go to Hidalgo County or Hidalgo. See right here, hidalgoad.org. There's a couple ways you can do this. I think probably the safest bet is to probably just print it out and go to your local appraisal district. You can go to this particular website. You go down here to exemptions, exemption breakdown. It'll take you to this page right here. Scroll down a little bit, residence, homestead, and there's the application right here. Click on it, download the application, and this is what that application looks like. You just fill this out to the best of your ability. Okay, your property information, all the good stuff, read it thoroughly, and then go to your local appraisal district and file it, and you should have the homestead exemption file. Now, when I did this, I did do this online because for whatever reason, I remember doing it online. And so I have an account, and I'm not 100% sure if anybody can create the account. But like I said, I do have an account. I would just create a new account if you can. Once you've logged in, I'll show you right now what mine looks like. Excuse my email, right? So I'll show you guys my password. So you have your account, and this is also a place where you can protest your taxes online on a yearly basis. Make sure you have your online account created. I was playing around with it earlier today. You go right here, start a new form. Once you start a new form, for example, what is the application you're going to file for? What is the earliest? If you just bought your house now, if you bought your house in 2020 or 2021, you click that year, you might be able to get see whatever you can get from the years prior. And then right here, general residence homestead exemption. If you are a disabled person, if you are a person 65 or older, etc., you can read through all this, and you go through all of these, fill out to the best of your ability, and just go through it. You're gonna go through steps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think the online portal is a little bit easier, but if you feel safer to do it via printing out the PDF, filling it out, by all means, pick your poison, take it from there. Let me know if you have any questions.